Hello everyone! In today's video we'll be taking a look at another Nintendo 64 mod kit made by Intec Gaming. With this kit you can transform your Nintendo 64 controllers in a wireless controller, ready to be used on the Nintendo Switch. In the box you'll get a small manual with all the installation instructions. This kit comes with a brand new Hall Effect module that is very faithful to the original Nintendo 64 stick. There is a charging cable, brand new rubber membranes for your buttons, a cover for the wire hole, a screwdriver, and here's the rumble pack that also serves as the battery and the wireless antenna. It also includes extra buttons to be able to navigate the menus on the Switch. And finally, here's the mod kit board. To install this kit, you'll need to remove the buttons, membranes, and sticks of an original Nintendo 64 controller and replace the motherboard with a new one. Also, you'll have to use the new stick module that comes with the kit, because the connector is different from the original one. Comparing the new modules, the sticks are a perfect replica of the original 64 sticks. And this is good because it retains the original feel of the Nintendo 64 controller. Unlike the 8-bit Do mod kit that comes with a GameCube style stick. And opening the module, we can see that the construction is nearly identical to the original too. The only difference is that the original uses optical sensors, and this one uses Hall Effect sensors. And even though it doesn't use the same kind of sensors, it still retains the gears of the encoders, just to maintain the same feeling when you move the sticks around. And again, here is a comparison with the 8-bit Do module. And here's how it looks with the mod kit installed. Just like the 8-bit Do mod kit, it will only work with the rumble pack inserted. Another thing to note is that I didn't use the included rubber membranes. In my opinion, they made the buttons a bit too hard to press, so I kept the original ones. The stick has the same tension and feel of the original one, but it is just a bit more noisy. Testing on the smartphone, I got a successful connection, but the buttons are all messed up. Also, the analog sticks won't reach the full range. Connecting on the PC with a cable does not work. And with a Bluetooth connection, the buttons work, but the analog stick doesn't. And I tried to use with other controller adapters, but none of them work. On the Switch though, it works and it can wake up the console. The rumble motor works as well, and it works on the original Nintendo 64 with a blue retro adapter. And it also works well with the Mr. FPGA. Testing the sticks, I did notice that it has a huge cardinal snapping. I reached out to Intec Gaming and they provided a tool to fix this problem. And it's very easy to use. All you have to do is pair the controller to your computer, then launch the tool and change the dead zone setting to 3A. Then hit update let's config and it will save the configuration. And now the cardinal snapping will be much smaller. It is necessary to have some amount of cardinal snapping here because it will help align the controller input to the physical octagonal gate on the controller. The same small cardinal snapping is also present in the 8-bit Do Modkit. On my final thoughts, the Intec Gaming Modkit is a decent alternative. I like that the brand new Hall Effect module is very faithful to the original 64 stick. But I wish that the connector on the motherboard had the original pin layout. This would allow you to use this Hall Effect module with original controllers or use GameCube style sticks if you like those more. I'll be leaving the links to this modkit and the tool for fixing the calibration in the description of this video. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.